Welcome back to Kiln Build. Today we're going to be fitting the personnel door to the end to go through to the boiler room. Okay, this is the door inside the container. Just going to get off the centre. The light is in line with this bracket here, so as long as that's in line with here, I'm happy. We're going to miss the light switch and the fuse board. I am going to lift the door up slightly because it seems really low. On the other side, I'm going to block it up anyway, make a step. So I'm going to lift that up there now. Looks in line. I've got a gas mask on because the insulation, when it gets hot, it gets rather toxic. I'm also going to switch the fans on to try and get some airflow through here. That's the inside layer off. This bottom here is very thick, well, pretty thick aluminium. I think it's to prevent the sides being damaged when the forklifts are driving in and out with pallets. So that needed extra cutting. I don't know whether they're all like this, but and this is just super thin stainless steel. So now I am going to scrape away the insulation from the corners, drill through with a long drill bit so I've got a reference on the other side, and then I will draw lines between the holes, make sure it's all square, and then cut from the other side, and then this should just fall out. And then I'm going to have to pack either wood or steel box between the two layers, squeeze them together, and then I can fix the door with self-tappers into the wood or metal. I don't know which one to go for yet. I think the steel is going to be a lot stronger, but then again, I don't have it on site where I might have a bit of wood that will do the job. So yeah, so I put this checker plate on the floor for when the boiler comes, just to make it a bit easier when you're cleaning up. If any ash falls out the front, it doesn't go down these slots. Better sweep it up or vacuum it up. 4 holes. I'm really pleased actually, because this is like the only real bad bit of damage on the container, and it looks like we're going to cut the majority of it out. I might have to straighten out a little bit here, but we're going to take out all this here as well, which is nice. Right, so we'll line these up on this gorgeous day. We've had rain what seems like forever, and we've had a couple of nice days, and it's just lovely. Just installing the boiler room dividing wall now. It's all going in pretty swimmingly. It's great having metal all around, because self-tap is just going to pretty much everything. I mean, absolutely solid really. Once plasterboard gets on there, it's going to stiffen everything up. Just have one more stud go in here. Not really filming too much of this because it's fairly boring, and stud work's pretty self-explanatory really. All done. Just use some plasterboard now. I've just got to put one more board of plasterboard at the top there. I'm leaving it off for the moment, just again because I need to see where the tea's going to go. But that's a wrap really until the boiler comes. So I'm really pleased with the door. It's come out well. Just leaving it off for the moment, just because the boiler's gonna be a fairly tight squeeze through there, so more room the better. It's really starting to take shape now. As I said, I've worked it out, one more board should fit that perfectly. I'm going to need to make a small step there. It's not too bad, but it'll look smart. Well, that's it for today. We've done the door, we've done a bit of the wall, we're just waiting for the boiler. That should be here tomorrow, and then we'll be able to complete these few jobs and have a test. So next video will most probably be with the boiler. See you then. Don't forget, like and subscribe.